Today we're going to teach you how to do linear inequalities graph by Daniel and Enrique. The first inequality is y is greater than or equal to 4x minus 1. You start by doing the graph. The first number you put on your graph is a y-intercept. In this case, the y-intercept is -1. Then you put the slope. You have to go up. In this case, you have to go up 4 and to the right 1. You continue to do that up until you have no more space, and then you go down until you have no more space on your graph. Since in this inequality you have an equal to, you have to make a solid line. Every time you have an equal to in your inequality, you have to connect the dots by a solid line. Then you have to finish off. You have to shade all to the left, because all those numbers to the left are the possible solutions to your inequality. A tip is that you can substitute x and y with a number to prove if the inequality is correct. A common mistake is that if sometimes people forget that if in inequality you have an equal, then you have to connect it by a solid line.
I'm going to explain the second set of numbers. The second problem is y is less than 5x minus 5. It's basically the same procedure. First, you graph the y-intercept, which is the last number, -5. Then you start graphing 5, and you go 5 up, 1 to the right. This is because 5 in fraction form is 5/1. You have a dotted line because since it's just less than, not less than or equal to, you have to have a dotted line. You shade the right because it's less than, and when it's less than you shade there, and also there is all the problems to solve the inequality. The end.